Hello students, today we will see the fluorescence microscopy. Fluorescence microscope is one of the light microscope. It refers to any microscope that uses fluorescence to generate an image. It produces 3D image. The technique is used to study specimen which can be made to fluorescence. Stain sample is a technique which uses antibodies conjugated to fluorescence dyes to evaluate cells in suspension, cultured cells, and tissue. Part A, fluorescence microscopy. In this present the mercury light source, then barrier filter, then dichloric mirror, exister filter, then objective, and then specimens. And this dichroic mirror reflect the light to the object. Next, then fluorescence dyes. This dyes is very useful in the fluorescence microscope. Light from the light source is passed through the excitation. The specific wavelength of light is passed to the sample via dichromatic filter. This dichromatic filter, the objective lens focuses to the light specimens. The light emitted from the specimens is filtered by the barrier filter. Then how does fluorescence occurs? Fluorescence is the phenomena that takes place when a substance absorbs light at the given wavelength and emits light at another wavelength. Fluorescence occurs as an electron which has been excited to a higher, more unstable energy state relaxes to its ground state and gives off a photon of light. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे जैसे कि लाइट पूरी एब्जॉर्ब हुई है, देन एब्जॉर्ब होने के बाद देन नॉन रेडिएटिव ट्रांसमिशन, मतलब यहाँ से पूरी ट्रांसमिशन होके फ्लूरेसेंस डाइस के थ्रू पूरी स्पेसिमेन पे वो आ जाएंगी. Then how does it work? The sample to be analyzed is placed on the lens and sample is coated with the fluorescence material. The light is illuminated through the lens with the higher energy source. The illumination light is absorbed by the fluorophores. And then their application: imaging structural components of small specimens such as cells, imaging the genetic material within a cell, DNA and the RNA. Okay, thank you.